Here I have chicken backbones from rotisserie chicken. Okay, we're gonna make broth out of that. Here I have chicken breast and chicken thigh from the rotisserie chicken that I put apart already. I have red radish, and also we're gonna use the red radish leaf. I have avocado, I have lime, I have cilantro, fresh garlic, spinach, okay? I have tomatillo. They call these tomatillo. It's like little mini green tomatoes. I have Poblano pepper. I have chili serrano. I have jalapeno. And I have Anaheim pepper and onion. I have fresh thyme, bay leaf. I have Majoram. I have oregano, black pepper, ground cumin, and chicken bouillon. So we're gonna start by roasting our peppers, all our peppers, okay? I roast them on medium low, and you just keep turning them. So here, this is my first turn. And here I am going to be roasting a little bit, browning my chicken backbone from the rotisserie chicken. I bought a rotisserie chicken. I think it was the lemon pepper flavor from Walmart. And I'm making my soup. So I'm roasting on one side my peppers, as you can see. And I roasted my chicken back bones on the other side. All right, this is gonna be nothing but flavor. So I just removed the serrano peppers. So now to my chicken bones, I'm gonna add my dry spices, which is my fresh thyme and my bay leaf and the oregano and the marjoram. And make sure your fire is like a medium low. So here I'm adding some of that chicken bouillon and my cumin and my black pepper. And now I'm adding some water. And you see the brownness already? That's from that I'm telling you, when you do this to the bones of the chicken, you create some good broth. So always try to brown your bones. I'm telling you. It's a game changer there, baby. I'm telling you, that broth came out so good. So here, as you can see, I am still roasting my peppers. Look at that beauty. Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's what you want right there. So I'm removing now my peppers. So that's the jalapeno. And now my Poblano and my Anaheim pepper, I am putting it in a Ziploc bag. And I'm going to let it sweat in there. And now I'm going to be roasting the rest of my fresh ingredient, which is my garlic, onion, and tomatillo. All right. So now in the blender, I am going to put some of my spinach. And guys, at all preference, it all depends how much soup you want to make. Okay, as you can see, we are using so many wonderful fresh ingredients today, which it means salt free. So you could add as much as you like, okay, and make it your own, like I always say. So here I have removed my garlic, which it was roasting. And now I'm putting my serrano. I'm leaving the seed in it because I like a little spice. But if you don't want it to be spicy, guys, you could go ahead and remove the seed from the pepper. All right. Now the poblano, the ham, it's just flavored. It's not spicy peppers at all. All right. But now I'm removing the skin, as you could see, from both peppers so I could add it to my blender mix. So while we are doing this, guys, you know what time it is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and also that like button. And do not forget that notification button, guys. It's that bell icon that is next to the subscribe button that is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get what? That front seat, baby. I have so many wonderful recipes coming your way. As you already know, international recipes. I love cooking and I love sharing these recipes with you. So please go ahead and subscribe for me. And for those of you that have subscribed already, guys, I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for the support. All right. So as you could see, I removed the skin from both peppers, and you see how easy it is just with my hand. I just removing the seeds with my hand. Like, this was therapy for me right there. It felt really good. So now I'm adding some water, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending all these wonderful ingredients. Look at that rich color. You see that? I'm telling you guys, this soup was so delicious. So I ate 2 bowls of it. Okay. 2 bowls. And here I'm adding, as you can see, I roasted those onions pretty good. And that tomatillos, look at that. And when you roast peppers or anything, you know, and then you make it into a soup, oh my God, the flavors, it's just layers of flavors and top of layers of flavor. Okay. So now here in the pot, I am adding what they call hominy. It's like a Mexican style white corn that it's really good. It tastes almost like potato when you eating it, but it's corn. And I add it to my chicken, and now that wonderful blend. Guess what? You see that? Look at that beautiful color, guys. Look at that. And now I'm straining my homemade broth. You see that? Ooh, I'm telling you, that was nothing but flavor right there, baby. That was, ooh, okay. I just wish I could just put a plate of this, soup right in front of you already made, because it came out so wonderful. I decided to add the rest of the corn, and now I'm gonna put this on the stove and let it simmer. So here it has simmered for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm checking on it, but look at that, guys. Look at that. So now it's plating time. The good thing about this soup is that you cook some of the ingredients, and then at the end you add some of the raw ingredients. I'm telling you, it's really good. And now the winter around the corner, I'm telling you, you give this recipe a try. You're gonna fall in love with it, and you're gonna add it to your winter soup. I'm telling you. And it's also great. You could prep this on a Sunday or whatever and have it in the refrigerator already made. You come home from work tired, you hit this up in a couple minutes, and oh my God, you sit on your sofa and you just enjoying a wonderful meal in the middle of the week. But look at that. Here I'm adding some they're like little corn chips. And oh man, I'm telling you. And when you're gonna eat it too, you also sprinkle some of that lime juice on top of it. But look at that. You see my lime? Guys, go ahead and give this recipe a thumbs up. And please give it a try. I promise you're going to love it. Okay? And thank you again for the support. And I will see you on the next recipe. Have a wonderful, blessed day.